Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest and greatest from ASUS, the Zenbook S16 2024 model. This laptop is packed with powerful features and sleek design elements that make it a standout in the world of ultrabooks. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Zenbook S16 a must-have for 2024. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description, and you can buy this laptop at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. First off, let's talk about the design. The ASUS Zenbook S16 is incredibly slim and lightweight, weighing in at just 1.50 kilograms or about 3.31 pounds. With dimensions of 13.92 by 9.57 by 0.47 inches, or 35.36 by 24.30 by 1.19 centimeters. This laptop is perfect for those who need power on the go without compromising on portability. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a sleek, modern design that feels premium to the touch. The chassis is robust and durable, making it ideal for daily use, whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative. Now let's discuss the display. The Zenbook S16 sports a stunning 16-inch Lumina OLED display with a 3K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you're getting incredibly sharp and vibrant visuals with smooth motion, perfect for everything from binge-watching your favorite shows to detailed graphic design work. OLED technology ensures deep blacks and rich colors, providing an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're working in bright or low-light conditions, this display excels at delivering clarity and precision. Under the hood, the Zenbook S16 is powered by up to an AMD Ryzen AI 9 processor and AMD Radeon graphics. This combination delivers impressive performance, allowing you to handle intensive tasks with ease. Whether you're editing videos, running complex software, or multitasking with multiple applications, this laptop can handle it all. With up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, multitasking is seamless and applications load quickly. Plus, the storage options go up to a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, providing ample space for all your files and ensuring fast data access speeds. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Zenbook S16. It comes equipped with a variety of ports to meet all your needs. 2x USB Type-C ports, 1x USB Type-A port, 1x combo audio jack, 1x SD card reader, 1x HDMI 2.1 port. These options make it easy to connect all your peripherals, whether you're transferring data, connecting to an external monitor, or plugging in your favorite headphones. The user experience on the Zenbook S16 is exceptional. The keyboard is comfortable and responsive, making typing a breeze. The touchpad is large and precise, supporting multi-touch gestures smoothly. ASUS also includes a suite of software enhancements and utilities to optimize your experience. From performance tuning to battery management, these tools help you get the most out of your device. To sum it up, the ASUS Zenbook S16 2024 model is a powerhouse packed into a sleek and portable design. Its impressive display, robust performance, ample connectivity options, and thoughtful user experience make it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and powerful ultrabook. If you're looking for a laptop that can keep up with your demanding lifestyle, the Zenbook S16 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Drop your questions and thoughts about the Zenbook S16 in the comments below. See you in the next video.